throughout the course of this meeting. I also
says goodbye by handing over.
In the 60s, they made some adjustment. Africa was left out, and to this date, Africa has not had any representative within the United Nations Security Council on a permanent basis. So this is what we seek to address. So the Africa position has been firmed up. We are seeking this is the common African position, 2 permanent slots in the UN Security Council. And we are also saying that Africa should have 5 non-permanent security slots. That means each region is covered within the continent. And that is what we are pursuing.